Good morning, rail fans. 5-1's ready to go. 2 cars. But they changed your TGBO engine number today. Here's how that went down.
Over. 581 in Stratford. Looking, we can't. The 2073 is a bust, so we're going to go with the 2117 to 117. If we can get that switched up with you on TGBO 4559 over. Isn't working. You're going to be using a 2117 instead. Is that correct? Over. Is correct. Over. Alrighty, I've got a GBO for you guys when you're set to copy. Over. Got a prepared form. Over. Perfect. GBO number 4614 4614 to work GEXR 2117 2117. Work GEXR 2117 2117 instead of work GEXR 2073 2073 on TGBO number 4559 4559 over. 4614 to work GEXR. That's GEXR 2117 to 117 and work GEXR 2117 to 117 instead of work GEXR 2073, that's 2073 on TGBO number 4459, that's 4459 or over. Sorry, just in the body of that GBO, I want to clarify the TGBO number is 4559 over. TGBO number 4559, 4559er over. Complete, not 822, not 822, RTC, RKK, Romeo, Kilo, Kilo, over. Alright, complete time, 822, not 822, RTC, Romeo, Kilo, Kilo, copied by Engineer J. Lover. Just need the letters of the alphabet for those RTC initials, please, over. I say again, RTC, RTC, Romeo, Kilo, Kilo, that's RKK, Romeo, Kilo, Kilo, over. Excellent, thank you very much, guys, and yeah, of course, plan still goes after that VIA goes by, your signals are on request, over. Signal on request after 84 goes by, thank you very much, 581 out. RTC out.
Okay, now that it's over, 581's trying to call 84, but they tried to get RTC a hold now. Let's see how that goes down. Okay, so nobody has answered at this point, neither 84 nor RTC, but 84 is approaching. I could tell the GEXR guys that they are coming, so they could probably try it now. And 84 hasn't called out yet, but they have a clear signal on the approach to Stratford West, Stratford East. And Hank was here. I think he might have left. No, he's still here. Okay. There's 581 right there. They got 2 cars. They will be at the end. Yeah, no sign. Yep, they're coming. No call out yet, but I'm gonna put the radio in front of the mic.
Passenger via number 84, GXR 581. 84, over. Good morning, just wondering your location. We're just coming up to Stratford right now, over. Approaching Stratford. Okay, thank you, sir. 581 out. Hey, Dundee, 84 out.
They got him.
V914 East, 84, clear signal, Stratford West.
There it is. Found him. They got it.
There it comes.
They called them that. They answered this time. They called them and they got it. All lights are working properly.
Left side, Stratford. Good throw is left side, full stop, Stratford, 84.
Well, 5. You don't have to go too far. Bill said you have to go so far. Not running at 10 mile an hour like every time, but like just slowly. It's like, I want to stop. 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 I did it. I'm going after it too. There we go. Oh, plus. And away they go. Engineer went out because of course of. Alright. Off they go.
Here, 84 SF. Doors are closed and secured. Over. XCN closed security 84. Here we go.
yeah.
You got the hammer down.
Anyway, we'll run up for 581. Just 1 second, guys. And away they go. 81. We gotta restrict it. I'll need to call him.
GEXR 2117, Stratford sighting, westbound, Cowie, gutter south, 885 south, restricting signal out.
Location 8861, crossing activated.
Okay, safety cars are on. There's 2 cars today. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit that bell, see you guys next video.
Station 8861, crossing deactivated.